Always remember, tired mind don't study well. Come out of tiredness first and study later. So in this video, we will discuss how can you study for hours without getting tired. Second, common mistakes you should quit from today. And the third, 2 secrets to staying 100% active and focused. So friends, get ready with paper and pen and watch this video very well and make notes of it, because in the description we have given the link of the quiz related to this video, which you have to solve after completing this video. So now let's discuss our first topic, and that is how can you study for hours without getting tired. So guys, the best way to stay active and focused is to develop a system that suits your needs. Here are some tips that will help you study for hours without getting tired. First is, you should start by finding a study space that is comfortable and has a good lighting. Second, you should also create a schedule with the times you will be studying and what you will be studying at each time. And the third, if possible, try to study in blocks of 20 to 30 minutes followed by a 5-minute break. So this is our 3 tips to study for hours without getting tired. And here guys, we will tell you 4 more ways to stay awake and fresh while studying. First is, don't take breaks too often, but take breaks time to time throughout the day. Means you can take a 10-minute breaks and drink some water, stretch out your body and walk around the room to get your blood flowing again. You can try listening to upbeat music and taking deep breaths. Second, listen white noise music during study seasons so your brain doesn't get bored and doesn't lose focus more quickly than normal. Third, create a plan before you start studying, because a goal without a plan is just a wish. And the fourth is, keep your phone away from your study space. So don't stop when you are tired, stop when you are done. So guys, this is our first topic. Now let's understand our second topics, and that is common mistake you should quit from today. Studies show that the average person only has the energy for 20 minutes of intense concentration before they feel mentally drained. This is why many students make the mistake of studying in 1-hour chunks. It feels like they are taking a break, but in reality, they are simply spreading out their energy over time and getting less done. Guys, from today onward, stop making the mistake of continue studying for long hours. So guys, this is our second topic. Now let's understand our last or third topic, and that is 2 secrets to staying 100% active and focused. Secret first is, your ability to function will depends on what your body needs. It has been found that students who get 5 to 6 hours of sleep are more likely to experience feeling of tiredness and fatigue than those who get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This is because the 5 to 6 hours group had more daytime naps than their counterparts who slept for 7 to 8 hours at night. So as a student, it is important that you have a regular sleep schedule so your body can regenerate and refresh itself. It is recommended for students to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day. And our second study secret is, there are many ways to stay awake while studying. However, the most effective way is to make sure you are hydrated. Drinking water throughout your studying will keep your mind alert and your body full of energy. You can also try doing some exercises, studying in brightly light room or listening to music. So guys, here is also one bonus important tip for you, and that is studying in different locations. Studying at different locations will often lead to a variety of new experiences. This can be good if the experience is pleasant, but not so much if it's not. So try to study in different rooms, courtyard and on the terrace of your house. Try studying in your school library or do a group study at your friend's house. So don't stop when you are tired, stop when you are done. So friend, this is the end of this video. On which topic do you want the next video? And what did you learn from this video? Please tell us by commenting. And to know how well you understood this video, solve quizzes test, link given in the description. Thanks for watching, keep learning, take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.